Better biking with survival skills.
There we are, enjoying a nice bit of twisty road when we catch a slower moving HGV. Naturally, we want to pass, and if we're lucky, we'll find a clear stretch of road to overtake. But it's vital not to get too impatient. Overtaking that goes wrong rarely ends well for the rider. It's tempting to close up behind the truck. In theory, it won't take so long to pass, but the closer we get, the worse our view. We start missing potential overtakes because we can't see ahead. Hanging back also helps us to see hazards such as oncoming vehicles. We can see side turnings and we can see vehicles in lay-bys at the side of the road. And what if the HGV itself has to overtake? If we were right behind the truck, would we have seen these parked cars and avoided them? If we're lucky, the truck will turn off and that's our problem solved. But don't get too enthusiastic with the throttle. Overtaking now would make no useful progress, but risks a collision. There might be a vehicle emerging from behind the truck. Hang back, keep the speed down and ensure there's a clear view ahead before accelerating.